a lot of the times I get asked about, is Gina Livy just a weight loss diet? And I say, no, really, it's about reframing the way that your brain looks at food, because we've lost that connection to food. And so what happens when you're in a setting of like, I am just eating processed things, your brain just wants that hit of dopamine, right? Just like I get that little dopamine when I shop, you get that dopamine when you eat whatever it is that your go-to is. And so then when you start eating real food, your brain starts like unlearning a little bit of that high dopamine addiction almost that you have. And it's that retraining that then your brain is like, oh, okay, I eat an apple and I get an adequate amount of dopamine. That's wild, And so I do think that the food choices that you make and a lot of the retraining that you do in this program is so vital to almost restore that connection to our food environment that we've lost over time.